the captain. All right, you're gonna go down by yourself. I'm gonna catch you, okay? Okay? All right.
Okay,
Ready
I'm
to go? All good? What? Yeah, it's a GoPro cam. It's so sweet, dude. It comes in a waterproof case. Yeah! Was that fun?
You're right. It sounded like it hurt.
I think he's good. Say thank you.
He's got a hard head like I do.
Is that fun? Look, here comes Zach. Look, there's Zach. Zach's coming.
Zach's coming!
Here comes Zach. There's Zach. There's Zach. I know. It looked like he hit his head, but he was fine. Yeah, let's go over there, buddy. You want to do it again? I bet you do.
Oh man, please tell me you got that on film.
I got him at the end.
Oh, this is initially when he did not like